Hi friends, today I've come up with a new topic, chaos to clarity. We all know we all want clarity. Clarity for how we need to work in our work life, how we need to work in our relationships, how we really need to create prosperity for ourselves, how we really need to create confidence in ourselves. Everywhere we want clarity. But do you know the reason why we are not clear? What is the reason which is coming in our way to not have clarity? Maybe one of the reason I found out is chaos. So where is this chaos? First, chaos is in our mental head. We have traffic jam of thoughts, too many thoughts, and we are not knowing what not to think. We have a lot of unnecessary thoughts. We have a lot of negative thoughts. We have a lot of toxic thoughts. So first of all, we have to really do letting go of them. For that, we need to be aware first. So here comes a tip, idea. IDEA. So first identify what you really need to let go. Okay. Then determine when will you let go. That is D. Then you make sure you eliminate that. Whatever needs to be eliminated. That is E. And A. Just take the right actions and just do it. And it will happen. Surely it will happen. Another mental clutter what we have is the faulty belief, faulty programming. Okay, we are so much been conditioned, programmed right from a very young age, from different places, from parents, teachers, gurus, society, economic, TV, media, social media, religious, so many different ways. And even if we are not okay, we keep behaving like automatic machines. We keep doing whatever we want to, just because we have been trained, we have been conditioned, we have been programmed. So second most important thing is to find out what are you wired, what are you hardwired, and what would you like to rewire. 3 steps. Again, what are you wired, where you are not been able to step out and not been able to get into your manifesting your goals and desires. Okay, what are you wired at, what is coming in the way, where are you so much hardwired, and how would you rewire. That is the most important thing. The third one is to find out what beliefs are blocking you, what beliefs are sabotaging you. You may be thinking I'm not good enough, you may be thinking I'm not smart enough, you may be thinking I'm not confident. All these are your faulty beliefs which is going against you, and all this is going to keep you in a very safe comfort zone. And when it's going to keep you in safe comfort zone, you are never going to get what you want, what you desire to have, and you'll never be able to take certain steps. You'll be always postponing that stuff, you'll be delaying it, you will be diverting your directions, but you will not be there. So making sure that you have found out what are your sabotaging beliefs. Again, use the same tool, IDEA. Find out, identify which is the blocking belief. D, determine and delete those beliefs. E, just eliminate completely and energize yourself. And A, take the inspiring actions. That will help you. Another chaos is all about at the heart level. How you feel at the heart will take you to where you have to reach to. So if you're not feeling happy and if you're chasing money, you will never be able to find it. We think that if we get money, if we have so much money in the bank balance, if we have this home, if we have this comfort, then we'll be happy. But no, it is not that way. It is reverse. It is if we are happy, we'll be able to create that happiness for ourselves through all that materialistic needs and desires. So, once again, the tool is idea. So, find out which is the disempowering emotion which is not allowing you to keep happy, to be happy. Alright, so first identify, then determine and delete them. E is to just make sure that you have eliminated fully, and A is to take right actions. Fantastic. So you have really learned how to clear the chaos at your mental level and get into the clarity. Looking for you all to be more and more clear. Thank you for listening to me. This is Roop Lakhani. You may join my Facebook page, Roop Lakhani Tarot Future. You may read my blogs on rooplakhani.co.in. There are a lot of mind seeds there. Keep following me. Love you all.